Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind Body Wisdom expert, master dowser, and author of this book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, an Amazon bestseller. So what's your story? What non-supportive, non-beneficial stories have you been telling yourself and other people? It's just the way things are, right? Can't stop spending money, can't save money, can't find a good man, can't find a good woman, can't lose weight, can't control myself. I gotta have those glasses of wine every night after work, all that stuff. We all do it. I've done it. I'm not proud of it, but one by one I'm releasing my stories. Using EFT to release non-beneficial stories that support what you don't even want in your life. It's a very, very valuable thing. I want to show you how to get rid of your non-beneficial, non-supportive stories via EFT. So pick one story. I'm going to pick money because so many people nowadays, maybe forever, are just concerned about money issues, right? But you can substitute into this tapping session whatever your issue might be. Could be no good men to date, no good women, I can't lose weight, I can't stop drinking wine after work, I can't do whatever, I can't work out, all this stuff. So just pick one, okay? It's not good to do general tapping for the most part, like for all your stories at one time. Think of that story that you tell and that you want to change now, and just follow along with me. I'm going to do the newer EFT. Well, you never know, I might branch into the old school stuff too that I became a practitioner on. I took my EFT exams to become a practitioner. So just start tapping here on the karate chop point. Even though I've been telling this story for too long, that I don't have enough money. I can't save money, I can't stop spending it, I never find a job that pays me enough, I'm worried about money all the time. I choose to accept that might be the true situation now, but it's time for me to change it, and I let go of needing to tell this story to myself and other people, because that just makes it stronger, right? Now I'm going to do both karate chops because I like to double team the fears, and sometimes it seems to make it go by faster. Even though I don't have enough money and I keep telling myself stories that seem to be supporting that fact, which only makes it worse. How are you ever going to earn enough money if you keep telling yourself and everyone, I don't have enough money, I can't stop spending it, I never earn enough, I can't find a good job. All the good jobs are taken. I release this fear that I'm not safe due to money issues, that these bad times with money issues are never going to end, that I'm a failure in earning money. I also release this fear now that if I successfully suddenly start earning a lot of money, whichever way, even winning the lottery, my relatives are going to come for loans and try to take it from me. I let that go. I accept that I have this fear, but I choose to let it go now. And I love myself. And I'm just learning this stuff now. So I accept that it's time to release this story. Even though I've been telling myself this story maybe since I was a little kid, because I saw our family didn't have enough money, and I always thought we don't have enough money. I choose to let this go now and let go of the storytelling. You could say something like, even though I don't have enough money now, at this very moment, I choose to switch my energy around and create a multi-million-dollar empire, or plenty of money coming in. Money is energy, right? Just like emotions are energy. Stories are energy. And as you put emotional force into your storytelling, you can shift the energy around. So I choose to do that now. Just for the hell of it, I'm going to do a 9 gamut, which is old school EFT. You take your left hand, you go down about an inch between the ring finger and pinky finger, and very gently start tapping there. This rebalances both sides of the brain, helps with polarity reversals and such, and it should help you clear out this need to tell bad stories about yourself. So you keep tapping very gently, it's very delicate skin there, and you close your eyes, open your eyes, look down to the floor on one side, Look down to the floor on the other side. Roll your eyes in a complete circle in one direction. Roll your eyes in a complete circle in the other direction. And we're going to hum a little bit. Some people like to hum happy birthday or count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very weird, isn't it? But it's very effective. Remember to do that if you ever get stuck somewhere in your life. I have done that and was able to write massive amounts of chapters for books and things. I don't know how the energy gets stuck like that, but it does, and that's a quick way to get rid of it. Anyway, then we're going to do some tapping, EFT tapping. Reminder phrase tapping on the top of the head. I release this habit of telling myself and everyone I don't have enough money, I don't know how to get enough money, it's time to let this story go, and I let it go now. Between the eyes, releasing this habit, this energy, and all fears that I'm not safe and the bad times will never end. Because I'm not earning enough money and I got to tell everyone about it. Or remind myself every day and program my energy that I don't have enough money. No, 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 no. Just because I'm seeing with my eyes that maybe I don't have enough money in my bank account or on my credit card. That's a result of decades of, I'm just going to say, dumbassery. Dumbass storytelling. And again, I've done it myself so many times, so don't feel bad about it. It's time to let it go and empower yourself. You're moving from being a victim into being strong and empowered. Letting go my fears that if I earn a bunch of money, that I do have a lot of money, people will come after me for loans, or I won't be safe somehow. Or I'll get a lot of money and I'll blow it all, I'll spend it, I'll lose it, because maybe that happened in the past. Your past is not your present. It's not your future. Okay? Just let it go. You deserve this, okay? Releasing my fears. I'm never going to have enough money. And then we're working around the mouth, right at the acupressure around the mouth, acupressure points. So just clear it. Releasing my fear now. I don't have enough money and I never will. Can't find a good job. Can't pay for things. Spent too much on my credit cards. All this. I let go of the fear and I focus on how I can remedy this situation, and I now stop telling this dumbass story. It's not doing anything. People are probably sick of hearing it. You're probably sick of hearing it, right? Just letting it go. Letting it go. Now we're going to tap on the collarbone points. I release this need, this belief, this habit of telling the story I don't have enough. Not enough money, not enough income, whatever it is. It's time to let it go. And then under your armpit, the center of your armpit, very gently there, I release the story that I've been telling and the need to tell it. Maybe I feel like I need sympathy. I need to feel special. But you know, after a while, people don't want to hear it. They just won't say anything, or maybe some will. Do the other side just for the heck of it. Center of the armpit, I release my fear that I won't get the sympathy that I need if I stop telling the story I don't have enough. Now we're just going to go back to do a little karate chop. I let go of needing to tell stories to myself about how bad everything is. I created it, and it's time to uncreate it. And I choose to let it go. Now you can also tap on the inside of your knees, which I'm doing right now, or around your ankles. While you talk about it, I let go of this belief as I walk my path with these beautiful ankles and these shins that I'm tapping on. I release the need to tell stories about how awful everything is. And I'm doing the other leg because you know how I am. Release my need to tell non-supportive, fearful stories about things that have happened in my life, how things aren't good enough, I'm not good enough, other people aren't good enough, because the universe is listening to you. You know that. So it's time for you to take charge, please. I did, and it's made a huge difference in my life. Health, wealth, family, friends, business success, all this. You deserve it because you are a treasure. Namaste. Peace out. Get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book on my website, emorescue.com. There's also links to all my Amazon books and other interesting information. Thank you.